Amarone della Valpolicella is one of the most unique wines in the world. And it comes from Italy's Veneto region, which is in the northeastern part of the country. In this cooler alpine region, the ancient Greeks developed a technique to make the wines much bolder. They dried them into raisins first in order to concentrate the flavor and strength. To this day, this is the basis for making Amarone, and the process is called appassimento. Amarone is made with several different local varieties. And after harvest, the grapes are put in special drying lodges on vented racks. Traditionally, those racks were made of bamboo, and the drying lodges used a system of windows and vents that manually controlled the drying process. But these days, everything is high-tech and it's done by computer. The grapes are picked in October, and they're required to dry until December 1st, but most producers dry them a lot longer, usually up to 120 days or more. During this process, the grapes will lose up to 40% of their weight in water. This concentrates the sugars and the flavor, but there are also some chemical changes that go on inside the grape to give Amarone its hallmark savory chocolatey character. And unlike regular red wines, these grapes aren't pressed until after the new year, sometimes as late as March. And that thick, sticky juice is cold fermented slowly to extract all the color and flavor out of the grapes. Most Amarones can ferment up to 45 days, which is 2 to 3 times longer than your average red wine. In the end, the alcohol level has to be at least 14%, but many Amarones can go as high as 16. Old school Amarones weren't oak aged, but more modern producers are using some oak to add a little bit of complexity. The wine has to age for at least 2 years before going to market, and a reserva like this, 4 years. So as you can see, a lot of history, time, and effort goes into a wine like this. And this is what makes them so unique, so desirable, and yes, expensive too. Amarone truly is a labor of love and a work of art. And hopefully knowing more about the journey to your glass makes it taste all the better. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the WTSO YouTube channel. On behalf of Wine Still Sold Out, I'm Mark Supsick. Thanks for drinking with me today.